Yo, it's Thomas Anthony from FinishBetterMusic.com, and today I'm going to be going over all the sounds and MIDI files in our new free Tech House sample pack. This pack is jammed full of awesome Tech House samples from my new single, VIP Chillin. You can download the pack in the description of the video. Okay, let's get into it, baby.
And you don't wanna be friends.
This is my latest track that just came out on Mixfeed. I'll just play through the most interesting bits and then I'll show you exactly what is in the sample pack.
You got me nappy, baby, and you don't wanna be friends. Here we go. Here we go.
That part's interesting. This second drop is interesting.
You got me nappy, baby, and you don't wanna be friends.
And then the last drop over here.
And you don't wanna be friends. My thing is flashing bright. I'm not using my hands. You got me nappy. You got me nappy.
So if you're interested to download the sample pack, there's a link down below and it has all the sounds that I use in the track that I made. It also has the MIDI for the bass. So I have my little bass MIDI that I have here. You can download that. It's in G minor, but you can transpose it to any key. And I've exported all of my favorite bits, like these high growls, low growl, bass line, nice little bass pad. This cool build up where it builds up, a second build up, clap, fills, another fill, my hat loop, another hat loop, kick, lead. Oh, I don't know what happened with that one. The main like payoff synth, some perk loops, rides, and the top layers of the bass. So you can go download that. It's in the link in the description. And also, if you'd like to learn how to mix a song down fully from start to finish using only stock plugins, there's also a link down below for my free mixing and mastering bootcamp, which we teach you how and when to use the right plugins, why developing a mixing plan is critical, the power of gain staging, how to process individual sounds, tighten control low end, and we give you our mastering chain that you can download once you get access to the course. And again, it's 100% free. We really wanted to make this to give some value to you guys on how to mix and master. Doesn't matter what genre you're using or what DAW, you're all using stock plugins, and our whole process is based so that you can mix it using any genre. Like all the concepts and all the theory is basically the same, but you just apply it to different genres. So that's this. I will have an upcoming video of the project breakdown of this. I will also be going into how to layer basses, Tech House basses, and if you'd like help one-on-one for me to help you start to finish, mix, and master a song, teach you all the fundamentals of making an interesting song. So talking about songwriting, this is what most courses are missing. They're not teaching you how to actually make the song. They teach you kind of like mixing and mastering tips and tricks. And then we move on in our program to the mixing, where we have a step-by-step process and a PDF that you just follow and go through all the motions with all our plugins and our favorite effects and when and where to use them, how to problem solve issues within the mix. And then we go into our advanced mastering chain and process. So if that sounds interesting to you, you can head over to FinishBetterMusic.com, check out what our mentoring program is all about. All you got to do is click join the program and fill out this application. It gives us all the information we need to set up a one-on-one call with you. And then on that call, during the free session, we meet for an hour via Zoom. We'll provide you personalized feedback on one of your songs. We'll analyze your production methods and define any areas that need improvement. We'll answer any questions about the music production or the mentoring program, and we'll give you a custom blueprint to help you finish better music. So whether you choose to join the program or not, we'll still leave that call. You'll still leave that call with a custom blueprint to know exactly what steps you need to make next. Okay, until next time, download this pack, use it in your tracks. Send me a message on DM on Instagram and let me know what songs you made with this kind of stuff. Okay, till next time, peace.